G'day folks, looks like I'm going back to the Toyota dealership for a new shock because it's doing the same thing as my driver's side. Watch when I just pull on the tire here now and listen in. So it's coming from here, because I know if I hold this and pull at the same time, it stops it, but I can feel it. So I don't know if it's this bolt that, over time, I have 50,000 on my truck right now, roughly, 2023. I don't know if this is loosening off and just needs to be retorqued. But on the other side, so over on the driver's side, they replaced this shock, I don't know, maybe a month ago, 2 months ago. Probably 2 months ago. Because of the same squeak. So here, that's coming from the passenger side. But yeah, the same squeak. So I don't know if these shocks from the factory were maybe malfunctioned. They're malfunctioning. They're bad. Or if it's just this nut up here tends to come loose and needs to be retorqued. Or maybe it wasn't torqued to begin with. Not sure. Yeah, regardless, I'll take it back to the dealership and get a new warranty Fox shock. And then I'll have 2 new ones at 50,000. Might as well take advantage while it's still under warranty. Hopefully they were just, bad shocks from the beginning and I won't have that issue again. Time will tell. Stay tuned.